Hi, I'm Victoria Vallardo and I'm going to show you how to solve the worksheet number 1 piston head analysis in your unsafe Nastran with Patron version of software. First, you go to File, New, and then enter Piston for the file name and click OK. After that, you will import a parasolid file, select Piston, and then Apply. Once you have it, you go to Home and click on Smooth Shader to have a better view of your model. Then you go to Meshing and then you have Create, Mesh, and Solid. After that, you will select the solid number 1 under the input list and check Automatic Calculation and enter 0.5 for the global edge length and click on Apply. Now we are going to create constraints, so we go to Load and Create, Displacement and Nodal. Enter Fixed for the new set name. Click on Input Data. Enter 000 under the translation only and click OK. Then we go to Application Region, set the geometry filter to Geometry. Click under Select Geometry Entities, then on the surface or face icon that will be at right or on the top of the window, and select both pinhole faces and click Add. Click on OK and then on Apply. Then we are going to create a force at the top surface of the piston. So we keep in create, but we change object to pressure and element uniform. Enter piston pressure for the new set name. Click on input data, enter 1200 for the pressure and click OK. Now we go to Application Region, set the Geometry filter to Geometry, click under Select Solid Faces, then select the top face of the piston and click Add. Click OK and then Apply. Then we go to Properties, Isotropic, then Create, Isotropic, Manual Input. And now we enter Steel for the material name. Click on Input Properties. For elastic models, we put 30E6, and for position radio, 0.3. Then we click on OK and then on Apply. Then we go to Solid at the top of the same window, and we need to make sure that we have Create, 3D and Solid. Now we enter Piston for the property set name. Click on Input Properties. Click on Matte Prop Name icon. Choose Steel from the select material and click on OK. Click on Select Members and select the solid one. Click on Add and then on Apply. We go to Loads, then Load Cases, Modify, click on the default load case, and once we see that the forces were added correctly, we click on Cancel.